Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Yes, ma'am.
What time does the noon start?
Ma'am, from 12.
Then what is it?
Ma'am, only 20 minutes is left.
Oh, 20 minutes are left. So at 12 o'clock, we all will wish each other good afternoon. But now let's wish. Iram, why are you so angry today?
Ma'am, because I have typed all the answers.
So Iram is in anger, huh? She's got
Yes,
so furious. Okay,
ma'am, I think.
Now Iram, the game that we are going to play, you can win now.
Ma'am, I also
will run.
Ma'am, again, but I can also with
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will plug out my speakers, keyboard, and mouse.
Why? Why will you plug them out?
Ma'am, to look around.
Okay, to look around. All right. So let everybody join and then we'll begin.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this period we will also do the word hunt.
No, we will do color hunt.
Okay, ma'am.
I will call
And
out
this is
color
very
and
easy.
yes. Saturdays should be enjoyed. Huh? Only 5 days study should be there. The 6th day to enjoy and the 7th day to relax. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall we start the game? Ma'am, means you will, ma'am, say one color and we have to find color in our surroundings.
In our surroundings, and you have to show it to me that, ma'am, see, I have got this.
Okay.
It can be an object that you can pick up and bring, or it can be something that you can go and touch there only.
Okay,
And I
ma'am.
can hide my webcam. So I can
Yes.
hide my webcam.
All right, very good. Now, the first color is pink.
Pink. Ma'am, see. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here.
Yes, now Varun Goyal was the first one. Varun Goyal and Dev Arya. They were the first one to show me.
Yes.
Yes, very good. But beta, don't keep colors with you and
Ma'am,
sit.
this is
Otherwise,
cheating.
no, don't sit with colors.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you now in this game rules, you will ask question to the one who find the color.
All right, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Like I am Varun, so you will ask question to me and Varun.
No, ma'am, this is no. We have to study also.
Ma'am, it is a study game.
No, ma'am.
All right, let's.
No, ma'am, please.
Utsav, let's make it educational. Let's make it educational. I'm going to ask you very easy questions. Don't worry. Okay, now the next color that you have to bring is brown.
Ma'am, see.
Thank you. Very nice. Utsav. No, Anshuman, I am disqualifying this kind of a thing. You have kept a color box for you and you are picking up that color. You have to pick an object.
Ma'am, I am the first.
What is Kushagra showing me? Kushagra is showing me a piece of bread.
Ma'am, cake.
Cake. Okay.
Ma'am, cake. Ma'am, Britannia cake.
All right. So it is not yellow color. Oh, it's not brown color.
Ma'am, it's bread.
Yes. And Varun is showing me the door. So who was the first one? Utsav was the first one. Yes. So Utsav, now you have to answer. What is the spelling of Brahmaputra?
Ma'am, B-H-R.
Everybody mute. Mute.
Ma'am, can I write in the chat box?
No, beta. It's not correct. Now please check the correct spelling.
Can I write? I'm after writing, it should be clear. And can I speak?
Okay, everybody type. It's Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra.
Okay.
It's not Brahm. Brahm nahi hota. Brahma. Brahma. Brahmaputra.
Okay, ma'am.
It's Brahma. I have also typed wrong. Brahmaputra. All right. The next color that you have to get is red color.
Ma'am, here.
Okay, Iram Naz was the first one. Iram was the first one to show me something red. Iram, your question is.
Pencil box
Better like now you'll do like this in your home, huh? Your parents will say, what is your teacher doing? Mute yourself. Who is not muted?
Ma'am, Ashvik is saying.
Ashvik is. Okay, the question is, what is river Brahmaputra called in Bangladesh? Very good.
Ma'am, if you ask with me this question, so I can answer.
No problem. Okay. Next, you have to bring yellow color.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here.
Okay, Jayesh was the first one. Jayesh was the first one.
I was the first one. Ma'am, I have shown my t-shirt color. It is yellow.
Yes. So Jayesh and this one, Devarya both. Now let's see who answers first. Everybody mute yourself. Now it's a close competition between Dev and Jayesh. I'll ask you one question and whosoever answers will be the winner. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Get set.
Yes, ma'am.
Go. Which mountains are also called Blue Mountains? Which hills are called?
Nilgiri Hills. Ma'am, Nilgiri Hills.
So Dev Arya was the first one to answer, Jayesh. But any which ways, you both have. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Now next.
Black flag.
Let's see who gets orange color first.
Ma'am, here.
Very nice, Varun Goyal. So Varun has got a kid at his house. Huh, Varun? You have a small sister or brother?
Ma'am, I also.
Who showed me that little, this thing, walker kind of a thing? Was it Varun or Anshuman?
Ma'am, I shown this.
Who showed what?
Ma'am, I showed bed sheet. I showed walker.
Bed sheet is not orange. It's looking brown. Is it?
Ma'am, I showed. Ma'am, but ma'am, from here it is. Ma'am, in the camera it is looking brown, but here it is looking orange.
Beta, who is speaking this? In camera it is looking like this. Kaun bol raha hai ye? Everybody.
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Anshuman.
Okay.
So,
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Okay. Now there is a close competition between Anshuman and Varun. Let's see who answers first. Name
What is the question?
Name the branch of river Ganga.
Branch of
Before entering Bay of Bengal.
before entering Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so
Yes, Anshuman.
ma'am, Gomti.
Wrong. The Dash River is a branch of the Ganga as it enters the Bay of
Ma'am,
Bengal.
Ghagra. Ma'am,
No,
Ghagra.
ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, Ghagra. Ma'am, so. Ma'am, so.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Dev, answer.
ma'am, its correct answer is Hooghly.
Very nice. The correct answer is Hooghly.
Ma'am, but I didn't have to answer.
Yes?
Ma'am, but they had to not answer.
But you both answered wrong, so he gets a chance to answer. Yes,
Ma'am, it was the simplest question. Yes, sir.
Devarya, one more dab from your side. Dab. Yeah. Yes. Then next.
Please.
Okay. Now you have to get something of blue color.
Ma'am, blue. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
here.
blue.
Ma'am, blue.
Ma'am, blue.
Ma'am, first was
Devarya, I am not considering your colors. Your crayons will not work here.
Ma'am, blue. Ma'am,
I could not figure out. I could not figure out who showed me first. This round is cancelled. Cancel.
video. I was first. Ma'am, I was first.
Okay. Now you have to show me black color. Color black.
Ma'am, black.
Now Utsav was the first one to show me the keyboard.
Ma'am, I showed my hair.
Who did your hair? Who did the hair?
Ma'am,
Sorry. Dev.
Ma'am, I showed my hair.
Okay. Very good. So listen, now it's a competition between Utsav and Dev. Now I have a question for both of you. Let's see who answers first.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. The rivers that, listen to it very carefully, everybody quiet. The rivers that flow into the sea in one stream is called
Stream.
So Utsav wins it. Utsav gives the answer first, he wins it. Now Utsav, a dab from your side. Yes. Okay.
नहीं सही था पर वो लेट हो गया.
Now the next color that you have to show is red color.
Red. What I showed red. No,
Yes.
Ma'am, I showed first.
It was Jayesh. Listen.
Ma'am, in this member I was first. Ma'am, my t-shirt color only.
Ma'am, I was
Let me speak. It was Jayesh. It was this one. This Jayesh, Utsav, and who showed that? Who opened that strip like that?
Kushagra.
Kushag.
Yes.
Yes.
Kushagra.
Yes. So Kushag, now come in front of the camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is the competition between Jayesh, I, and Kushagra.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Kushag, beta, appear in front of the camera. I can't see you. Turn your camera towards your face.
Ma'am, I am there.
You are not there.
I have opened the camera.
The screen is blank before me. What is wrong?
Ma'am, so I will be.
No. Kushag, what is wrong with your camera, beta?
Ma'am, it can be a signal problem. Ma'am, you can ask me question.
Okay, so the question is now for you. Okay, listen to it. A dash is a branch of a river that flows out from the main river.
Tributary. Ma'am, tributary.
All wrong.
Ma'am, distributary.
Oh, no, Utsav answered first.
Yes, ma'am. Answer.
Utsav, everybody tell me who answered first.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next, hurry up and get green color.
Ma'am, green color.
Okay, it was Jayesh. It was only Jayesh. It was only Jayesh who got it. And Anshuman is already wearing it. Beta, you showed me, but you got late. It's about coming first. Jayesh was first and Anshuman and Jayesh were like near, very close. So a question between you both. Listen to it very carefully. Which region is rich in minerals?
Ma'am, please tell the question again.
Which region is rich in minerals?
Ma'am, what is this?
It's so simple.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, both are not being able to answer. Which region is called the rice bowl of India?
Coastal region.
Very bad, children, very bad. Those who answered and were not supposed to answer, very bad. This question was only for Anshuman and Jayesh. Why did others answer? Now one chance cut. I have asked and Jayesh answered before you. So the point goes to him. The question was, first the question was, which region is rich in minerals? That is the peninsular region. Then you could not answer. I changed the question. Which region is called the rice bowl of India? That is the coastal region. Clear? Now show me white color.
White.
Okay, Jayesh is the first one to show me his shirt. Beta, I'm not considering these crayon colors. You can sit with the...
Ma'am, it's not crayon, ma'am, it's a paper.
Okay, then it's fine. Then again, it is a competition between Jayesh and Devarya. Let's see who answers first and who gives me a dab. Okay. The question is, which canal was built in the desert region?
Indira Gandhi Canal.
Oh, both of them answered. So both can show a dab.
Ma'am, both.
Now, Jayesh, you are not doing it. Are you not happy with your victory? Huh? Are you shy?
Ma'am, I am happy.
Then are you shy that you are not making a dab? See, Dev has made several times. 5 times. He's
I like this.
yes. Right dab, left dab, up dab, down dab, everything. Okay, next. I think we are over. We are done with colors. Now there are no colors left. What are you going to show me?
Many colors are left.
Many colors are left. Like
Okay.
green.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me gray color. Gray color. Gray color.
Ma'am, this letters written are gray.
Ma'am, gray. Ma'am, this one gray.
Ma'am,
This is gray. Ma'am, this is gray.
Okay.
this is gray.
Now Jayesh picked up his book first to show me this written with gray. and Varun picked his pencil up. So now it's Varun and Jayesh. Varun versus Jayesh. What does the word Himalayas mean?
Abode of snow.
Who answered?
Abode of snow.
Jayesh answered. Okay, very good, very nice. So Jayesh is the winner.
Ma'am, if it comes in the question answer, so its full answer will be the Himalaya word Himalaya means the abode of sand in Sanskrit.
Abode of sand.
No, ma'am, abode of snow in Sanskrit.
Yes. Abode of snow in Sanskrit. All right.
Ma'am, what mean abode?
Abode is like, let me search out what is abode. How do I explain it? Abode. A place of residence or a house.
Okay,
Abode
ma'am.
is, yes. Next color that you have to show me is maroon color. Anyone has got maroon color?
What is maroon color?
Yes.
What is the maroon color? I don't know.
Utsav showed me first. Utsav, your question is, rhododendron trees are found in which state?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Rhododendron trees are found in which? Very good. Very nice. Then anyone can show me navy blue color. Navy blue.
Navy blue.
I have navy blue color. Yes. This is not navy blue. It's not navy blue.
This is.
Yes, Varun's shirt is navy blue. Whatever color Varun is showing, that's
Ma'am, this is navy blue.
And Utsav, by the way, you two are wearing navy blue color shirt. Where are you roaming here and there? But you didn't show me. So Varun wins now. Varun takes that chance.
But this is black.
This is black? Why is it looking like navy blue in the camera?
Ma'am, this is black.
Okay.
Ma'am, you also wear navy blue. Ma'am,
Yes, I showed first. First of all, I showed. I'm having navy blue. Okay, so Varun, the question is, okay, Varun and I win here. So who is going to ask us a question?
Ma'am, I can ask. Ma'am, can I ask?
All right. We'll do Inky Pinky Ponky. I will do Inky Pinky Ponky. Varun, it's a competition between you and me. So why will you ask? Inky Pinky Ponky, father had a donkey, donkey died, father cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Dev Arya will ask a question.
Ma'am, what we call, what is the name of the tree?
Palash. Palash.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you won.
Okay, ask one more question.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, Utsav will ask.
Ma'am, how many dams are there in India?
How many?
Dams are there in India.
This is out of course. Hello, teacher. We will not accept this question.
Ma'am,
No, you have to ask from these 3 chapters only, which are coming in UT2.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what is the?
Yes, Anshuman, you ask.
which region is called the food bowl of India?
I can answer. Varun, shall I?
Rice bowl or food bowl?
Food bowl.
Food bowl.
I know the answer, but I still give Varun the chance to speak. And if he will not speak, I will give the answer.
Ma'am, I know rice bowl, not food bowl.
Beta, food bowl, see. The food bowl area is, which is very fertile, good soil is there and many crops grow in that area. Now make a guess.
Ma'am, so the northern plains.
Yes, northern plains.
Ma'am,
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, you are winner. Ma'am, you are winner.
No, Varun is the winner. Let's make him the winner. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next color. Next color that you have to bring is purple color.
Purple.
Yes. Dev Arya and Utsav Gangwar. Dev Arya and Utsav Gangwar.
Am I also? Purple. This purple. Ma'am, I also.
Okay, Kushagra also. So we have 3 students, Utsav, Kushagra and Dev. Now the question for you is, the question is, Utsav, come, hurry up, sit. The question is, the capital of Uttarakhand is? Dev Arya wins. One more.
Ma'am, I have to answer, but he has given.
Beta, so you had to be quick now. He immediately answered. Now you get me dark green color, dark green.
Ma'am, this is dark green.
This is not dark green. Yes. Yes. Lakshita. It's Lakshita and Utsav. It's Lakshita and Utsav. Iram, what did you show me?
This also I. Lakshita also.
Okay, very nice. Iram was also there. Now it's Lakshita, Utsav and Iram. Everybody. Now let's see who is the quickest to answer. Which is the special tea of Kashmir?
Ma'am, Kahwa tea. Ma'am, Kahwa tea.
Okay. So Iram and Lakshita answered at the same time. Both are winners. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Iram said first. Iram was first when she said one time.
Both are first. Both are first. Next, you have to get which color?
Ma'am, one color is left. Ma'am, check in chat box.
Now you must be sitting with that color, I'm sure. That is why you're again and again saying. Hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so I will not speak that color.
Ma'am, he is saying the color gold.
Utsav is already sitting with a gold thing in his hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, I am also having a gold thing.
Ma'am, yes, I am sitting and seven is this.
All right. Now show me silver color. Silver.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here.
It's Anshuman and Utsav. Anshuman and Utsav.
This pattern is of 3 colors. It helps me.
Ma'am, I also.
Yes, Kushagra also.
Ma'am, I also.
You also. What did
This
you
pattern
show?
is of 3 colors. And ma'am, I have given.
The question is, the rivers, listen to it carefully. The rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati meet in which city?
Allahabad.
Now who answered first? Anshuman answered first. Kushagra? Okay, Kushagra answered. Kushagra. Don't fight, Kushagra, don't fight. You answered first.
Now which color?
And many colors are left.
I think I have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
repeat. Which colors are left? Hint me, please.
Ma'am,
Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Ma'am, sky blue skin color.
Ma'am, sky blue skin.
Ma'am, sky blue skin.
Ma'am, peach. Ma'am, peach.
Okay, now I am going to speak a little difficult colors. Let's see if you know those colors or not.
Okay, ma'am.
I want you to show me lavender color. Lavender.
Ma'am, I know lavender color.
Very nice.
lavender.
Very nice. No, this Anshuman. Anshuman is showing me a color very close to lavender color. And
Ma'am, I know lavender color.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, this is lavender color. Ma'am, this is lavender color. Ma'am, this is lavender color.
but Dave, you got late. And Iram, you already have it on your t-shirt, lavender color. Show me your t-shirt. The heart is made of lavender color. It looks like lavender.
It is
No, this is Varun. This is wine color. Wine. Wine shade. Okay, now no question. No question. We'll just look for the colors.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, can anybody show me turquoise blue?
Ma'am, what?
Turquoise blue.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I don't know which color is called
turquoise blue.
No, I will tell you which color is turquoise blue. I can see turquoise color behind Jayesh. There is a curtain of turquoise blue color.
Ma'am, you have 10.
Yes, that's turquoise blue.
Ma'am, this is question. Ma'am, this one.
Better turquoise. No, this is not turquoise blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Firozi blue kind. Turquoise blue is a firozi blue kind of a shade.
Ma'am, turquoise blue.
Then let me have saffron color. Saffron.
Ma'am, ऑरेंज कलर का कोई फ्लावर नहीं है
Ma'am, saffron.
Yes.
Ma'am, saffron.
Anshuman has gone in his kitchen and he's taken out something.
No.
What is it?
Ma'am, it is a jar.
Okay, very nice. Okay, show me Coke color. Coke color. Coke.
Coke.
Yes, Coke.
Ma'am, Coke.
Here is
Ma'am,
Coke.
Yes.
Here is Coke.
Ma'am, this is Coke. Ma'am, this is Coke.
I think the chair on which Utsav is sitting is Coke color.
Yes, ma'am. This.
Yes.
Ma'am, this I also have.
This you also have. Yes.
Ma'am, this.
What is the color of Thumbs Up, Pepsi, Coke? That is Coke color.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I said Coke color. Coke. Can anybody show me carbon gray color? Carbon gray.
Carbon gray? Ma'am, what is carbon?
Ma'am, carbon gray. Ma'am, this line under this is carbon gray.
It is very dark, like it is very close to. No, that's not. That's steel color.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
that's
under
steel.
this. Ma'am, under this glass.
Ma'am, this.
Under this glass. I can't see.
Ma'am, carbon.
It's
Ma'am,
wooden
this
color.
one. Ma'am, this.
Yes. That's carbon gray. Very nice. The one
In my table it is also.
Anshuman is showing me the correct color. That's carbon black or carbon. Beta, are you showing me the color of the zip or of this bag or jacket, whatever it is?
Ma'am, I am showing the color of zip.
No, zip is silver color. It's not carbon black. Carbon gray. Carbon gray.
Ma'am, I got it.
Carbon gray.
Carbon gray.
2 shades lighter than black color.
Ma'am, carbon gray.
Yes.
Ma'am, carbon gray.
Very dark gray. Very dark gray.
Ma'am, this.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have showed.
Oh. Can anyone show me peach color? Peach color.
Ma'am, this.
Ma'am, peach.
Ma'am, peach.
Ma'am, peach color.
Ma'am, peach color.
Dev Arya, you are showing me green color. This is
And
green
this
color.
is the peach color. And this.
And green color. Peach color.
This is peach color.
color.
And this is peach color.
Yes,
Ma'am, this is peach color.
And this is peach color. And this is peach color. And this. And this. And this.
Yes, this
Ma'am,
is peach.
And this.
Okay, children, done. I am so tired of speaking so much.
Ma'am,
My
I
jaws
am
are
very
paining
tired
me.
for finding.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am very tired for finding.
Now last 3 minutes are left. Everybody sit down and meditate. Sit down. Sit and relax. Everybody close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Dev Arya cannot sit still. Is this, see how Dev Arya is meditating. This is his meditation pose. Wow. Complete silence. Very nice. Kushak, close your eyes, take a deep breath. I'm preparing you for your next class. You retain your energies for your next class. Close your eyes. Nobody will open your eyes. Keep your fingers on your eyes like this. Give a little massage on your forehead. Move your temples like this. Try to rotate them. Close your eyes. Take your hands like this behind your ears. Give a little massage behind your ears. Bring your hands down on your neck. Press your neck like this. And then rotate your neck up and down. Exhale your breath. Exhale your breath. Feeling better? Relaxed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now this kind of a class we will again have next Saturday. Okay? Whole week we'll study hard.
And on Saturday, there is
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, on Saturday there is Diwali.
On coming Saturday?
Yes, ma'am. On 14th November.
Ma'am, before this meditation time, I was jumping on my sofa and I have take out these my cushion and my sofa cover.
So you have not retained any energy for your next class, huh? You will be tired in the next class now.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
I am not